Hey guys, this is Hitesh and you're watching Mr. Techy. In this video we are going to do the unboxing of this phone, that is Infocus Vision 3, that I got from Amazon for 6,999. So without further ado, let's get this going. The first thing on the box, as you can see, it is written Infocus Vision 3, and on the back side of the box there are some key features written of this phone, like it has an 18:9 display. The display size is 5.7 inch HD plus display, and it has a dual camera setup, that is 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and the battery is 4000 mAh battery. And on the top of the box there is some information given about this phone. So let us just open up the box. So opening up the box, the first thing you get, that is the phone itself. So let's just take the phone out. So as you guys can see, the same specifications are written on the phone also. The phone looks very good, looks very premium at a price point, and it's lightweight also. So let's just keep the phone aside and see what else we get in the box. So we get some of the paperwork, some user manuals, and we also get a warranty card with it. And you get a micro USB cable, that is micro USB to USB. It's not a type C cable. And you get a travel adapter. As you can see, it's 2V 5A, so it's not a fast charger, it's a normal charger, and the battery is also 4000 mAh. And you get a SIM ejector tool. So this charger would take time to charge the phone, like 2.5 hours or 3 hours minimum it would take. So let us just peel this off. The phone looks very good. At a price of 7,000, it looks very premium. The phone is having a 2.5D curved glass. It looks very good. And the back is also plastic, but it feels good. So till the time it boots up, let me just give you a physical overview of this phone. So it comes with a 5.7 inch HD plus display and has a MediaTek processor with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of onboard storage, and the camera is 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera, and it is packed with 4000 mAh battery. On the back side of the phone you get a dual camera setup, that is 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel with a dual LED flash, and you get a fingerprint sensor below the camera, and the speaker is located at the bottom of the phone. On the left side of your phone you get your volume rockers, and on the right side of your phone you get your power lock button and a SIM card tray. You can pop in either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card, so it is a hybrid SIM slot. In the bottom you get your micro USB port, and on the top of the phone you get your 3.5mm headphone jack. So I have set it up the phone. So let's just open the settings and see which Android version we get out of the box. So as you guys can see, it is Android 7, that is Nougat, with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of onboard storage. And in this phone you also get option of special settings, like you can do app twins, you can use 2 accounts of WhatsApp or Facebook in one phone, and you also have some motion sensors like 3-finger screenshot. You can scroll down with 3 fingers and get a screenshot. I would show you. As you can see, it's very easy and efficient. And you get the option of turn over to reject the call, like you can turn over the phone to reject the call and pick up the phone for silent. And you also get the option that is press power button 2 times and it opens the camera. So there are some good features, as you can see. And there is also soft key settings, like you can open a suspension ball, so you can use it very efficient. You can lock the device with it. So it's very good to have all these gestures, like you can enable the navigation bar or disable it, or hide the navigation bar. So all these options are available in this phone, that is Infocus Vision 3. I will just disable this suspension ball, I don't like that. I've also set it up the fingerprint sensor, so let's check how the fingerprint sensor works. As you guys can see, it's relatively fast and efficient. So it's working fast. So it's good to have all these options at a price of 7,000. Yes, it unlocked. It's fast and accurate. Let's just play a game and check how the gaming performs on this phone. By the way, it has 2 gigs of RAM, so I won't expect much gaming from this phone. It's taking a much time to load the game. It's loaded finally. The screen looks very vibrant. The 5.7-inch screen is very good. The game is lagging little bit, but for 2 gigs of RAM we can't expect much from this. As you guys can see, some of the minor lags, some frame drops from the game. If you are buying a phone for gaming, then it's not for you. It's for normal day-to-day usage and all the things. So let's watch a video and see how the video looks on this phone. As you guys can see, the video looks very good on this phone, as it has a 5.7-inch display. The colors are also very vibrant. There are many videos on YouTube which are 18:9 display videos, so you can watch these videos on YouTube. For 7,000, it's like brilliant. It's a very underrated phone because it's not having the name like all these options for 7,000, but there are many less people who have this phone. But I feel it's good. It's better than Redmi 4 or the Redmi 4A as coming to the cameras and the displays. Let's open the camera of the phone and see what the things we get in the camera. So opening the camera, as you can see, there are many of the options. You can on or off portrait mode from here, and you get a beauty mode also, and you get a pro mode, so you can adjust the things manually, the EV exposure, all the things. In the photo mode, you get additional features like you can click the photos in circle. You don't have to download any app, you can click directly from here only. Then you have a multi-photo option, like you can click 4 photos at one time, and you don't have to download any application to edit those photos. So it's very good to have all these options inbuilt in the camera application. Then you have a PIP mode, that is also called a Bothi, that clicks photos from front camera and rear camera at one time. And you have many of the other features like watermark, effects, HDR, timer, and additional settings. So if you select watermark, as you can see, you get many of the options. You can use filters, all of these. So it's good to have all these options. And you can get effects also, all the effects in one application only. And coming to the settings, you get all these settings. You also get a video mode that records video at 1080p. You also get time-lapse mode in the camera application. Let's look at some photos and videos captured by this camera. As you guys can see, the photo is very accurate and the colors are very vibrant. This photo is taken in portrait mode, so the background is blurred very perfectly. These photos are taken in outdoor condition in daylighting. This looks very good at a price of 7,000. You can't get much. And this photo is overexposed. This is also taken in portrait mode. The camera is very good, it performs well. Let me know in the comment section below how you like the photos. This photo is taken in a panorama mode, so it also good. This is in the night in indoor lighting. So this is with flash. This video is recorded from this phone at a full resolution, that is 1080p. The video quality is also good of this phone. And I am trying to autofocus. The autofocus is also very fast, as you guys can see. It focuses very quickly. I think this phone is very good for a price of 7,000. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. This was a small sample which I have taken. If you want a detailed review on this, let me know in the comment section below. I will give you the detailed review. Let's hear some of the audio of this phone. See how the speaker gives the output. I would just play some of the music in my Wink application. So as you guys heard, the output of the speaker is very good. So that's it for the video. If you want me to do a detailed review on this phone, let me know in the comment section below. I liked this phone on the initial impressions. What are your thoughts? Let me know, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notifications whenever I upload a video. And I will catch you in the next one.